dog say?
Woof.
What does a cat say?
Meow.
What does a frog say?
Ribbit.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
What does a sheep say? What does a fish do?
Steals that other fish.
What does a tiger do? What does a turtle do? What does a fish do? What does a lion say? What does a pig do? What does a... Now you tell what animal we're gonna do.
Elephant.
What does an elephant do? Okay. What does a dolphin do?
Ooh. Ooh.
What does a shark do? What does a fish do again? Okay, what does a monkey do?
Ooh, ooh,
What does a unicorn do? Okay, what does a bird do?
Tweet, tweet.
Wait 1 second. What does a fox do?
What?
What does an octopus do? What does a mom say to you? What do Egypt people do? What do Chinese people do? What does an angel do? What does a hula girl do? What does a bear do?
What?
What does a sissy boy do? What does a tomboy do? Okay? What does a person that's crazy do? What does a grandpa do?
I'm a grandpa.
What does a pretty girl do? What does a cute boy do? What does a princess do?
What?
Okay, what does a teacup do? What does a ballerina do?
Do 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 do.
What does a soccer player do? That's all we have for you today.